Aware that the tempo of our politics is beating at an increasing rate day by day. But I just wish to emphasize that even as we engage in the upcoming contest this year or later this year, we know that the task of building a nation is a task that is passed from a generation to a generation. Generation and generations of leaders are therefore called upon to pass that baton unbroken, and I intend to do just that. Mine is to wish you all peace. Mine is to wish that we will end up much more united and stronger after this election than ever before. And to wish each and every person who is vying the best of luck, knowing that there will only be one winner, as we have been told. And our prayer is that we shall accept and be able to move forward and live to fight another day. Spend time in prayer, in reflection, in thanksgiving. Let us also leave here committed to being ambassadors of peace and unity. Indeed, over the last 2 years, we've had a very difficult and challenging times, the likes of which no other generation has ever faced in well over a century. A pandemic that has caused untold suffering, global tensions that are continuing, that are threatening global food supply, causing untold disruptions in commodity prices, turbulence in international finance. But I believe we should all take courage in the knowledge that in the midst of all of this, God has given and will give us the grace to endure and to turn some of the challenges into opportunities. Likewise, let me say that with the grace of God, I do hope the prayers of Mheshimiwa William Ruto come true. I'm really looking forward for a lot of peace and enjoyment in the years to come. So with God's grace, tutakuwa tunaonana huko mbele. Asanteni sana. Thank you.